Imagine you're standing in the middle of a city. Suddenly, thousands of people start running around. There are no police, no leader, no group chat, no one giving orders. But somehow, everyone knows where to go. Everyone knows what to do. And everything works perfectly. Sounds impossible, right? But this happens every day, right under our feet. And the ones doing it are ants. If you look at a single ant, it doesn't seem very smart. It walks around, gets lost, bumps into things. Sometimes it looks completely confused. But when thousands of ants come together, they can build huge nests, find food, protect their colony, take care of their young, and even fight wars. So here's the question. Who is in charge? Where's the boss? Where is the leader? Who tells everyone what to do? The answer is surprising. No one. Many people think the queen ant is the leader of the colony. But that's not true. The queen's main job is to lay eggs. She doesn't give orders. She doesn't plan strategies. She doesn't tell worker ants where to go. So if the queen isn't leading, how does the colony work? The answer is something called collective intelligence. Think about your brain. A single brain cell can't think. It can't solve problems. It can't make decisions. But billions of brain cells working together create something amazing. They create a mind. Ant colonies work in a similar way. One ant isn't very smart, but thousands or even millions of ants working together can create something that looks incredibly intelligent. Let's take food as an example. Imagine one ant finds a piece of bread. It doesn't go back and call a meeting. It doesn't send a message. Instead, it leaves behind a chemical trail on the ground. This trail is called a pheromone. Other ants can smell it. They follow the trail. If they also find food, they leave more pheromones. Now the trail becomes stronger. A stronger trail attracts more ants. More ants make the trail even stronger. And before long, a busy ant highway appears. What's really interesting is that ants often find the shortest route. Not because they calculate it, not because they have maps, and not because a leader tells them where to go. It happens naturally. Shorter paths are traveled more often. That means more pheromones are added to those paths. Longer paths get less traffic. Their pheromones slowly fade away. Over time, the colony ends up using the best route, all without a single ant understanding the whole picture. Think about that for a moment. No ant stands up and says, "I have analyzed the situation and found the most efficient path." They don't even know what efficiency is. Yet somehow, their colony becomes efficient. And this isn't only about finding food. The same idea helps ants do almost everything. Building nests, protecting the colony, taking care of babies, dividing jobs, even fighting enemies. Yes, ants fight wars. Some species send thousands of soldiers into battle. Some attack other colonies. Some steal larvae from their enemies. Some even force other ant species to work for them. And once again, there is no general giving commands. No battlefield strategy meeting. Each ant simply follows a few simple rules. And together, those simple actions create something much bigger. This leads to a bigger question. If ants can create such an organized society without a leader, do complex systems always need someone in control? Or can order appear on its own? Scientists call this emergence. It's when simple things come together and create something much more complex. One ant is simple, but an ant colony is amazing. One brain cell is simple, but a human mind is incredible. One person is simple, but human civilization is extraordinary. And maybe that's what makes ants so fascinating. They're not just tiny insects walking on the ground. They're proof that intelligence doesn't always come from one smart individual. Sometimes, intelligence comes from many individuals working together, even when none of them understand the bigger picture. So the next time you see a line of ants on the ground, take a closer look. Because you're not just looking at insects. You're looking at a city, an organization, a living system that has survived for millions of years. Without a leader, without meetings, without technology. And somehow, it still works.